Hello and what is going on, lovely people of the internet? It is HOOTMONEY here with another video for you guys today. Today we're going to be going over 9 penny stocks to buy right now on Robinhood. So guys, I recently made a video that did very well about 9 penny stocks to buy now on Robinhood, and because of that I wanted to make a follow-up video now on the new opportunities that I see in this marketplace. And with there being such a strong rebound on Friday, a lot of these stocks did have a positive green day. So if this rebound continues, then penny stocks should, keyword should, because it's not always 100%, but they should see a rebound in the coming weeks. So we're gonna have to follow the tech sector, we're gonna have to follow the growth sector, and then after those two sectors comes the penny stock sector. So the penny stock sector tends to follow suit. Now, full disclaimer, I do not personally own any of these stocks as of yet. However, I am taking a look at them. So I'm not personally invested in them, so it's up to you to decide whether or not you should be invested in them. As I've said before, penny stocks are extremely risky. There's no guarantee that you will be making money on these investments. However, I'm going to be giving you guys a brief reasoning on why I like these stocks, what I see in these stocks. However, just keep in mind, I'm not invested in these stocks. That being said, we're going to be going over 9 different penny stocks, so I'm not going to be able to do a full analysis on these stocks. So make sure you guys do your own research before buying these stocks. Anyways, with all that out of the way, I'm going to kindly ask that you guys like this video if you guys want to see more content on this, and subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications because we make videos like this every single day. So if you guys want to follow me on your investing journey, make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on those notifications. That being said, let's get right into the video. So the first stock that we have on this list is CTXR, Citius Pharmaceuticals. So this is a pharmaceutical company. So these early stage pharma companies, like I've said in other videos, are very risky. So keep that in mind when investing in this stock. However, they have some very promising cancer treatments and other treatments. So for that reason, I like CTXR. And they've been talked about on Reddit, on other social medias. They are very popular upcoming penny stocks, so this is one you want to keep on your watch list going forward. They've got a market cap of $314 million, so it is much easier for them to have a big move than a stock like Apple with over $1 trillion in market cap. So that is the advantage of a penny stock. You could get 300 million investment in a single day in a penny stock, which would double your money. So that's why penny stocks are so attractive. The next penny stock that we have on this list is AGTC, Applied Genetic Technologies. So this company does different types of gene therapies. They're also a biotechnology company. So with that being said, another reason to be concerned, there is volatility in these early stage biotechnology companies. Like I've said before, we'll go to the 3-month chart. It's down 42%, so be careful. 1-year chart down 9%. However, they do have some promising genetic therapies. So with that being said, I need to include this on its list, and always be careful. Literally every single one of these. So we go to the 5-year chart, the 1-year chart, the 3-month chart, the 1-month chart, the 1-week chart, the 1-day chart being the exception here. They're all negative, so just be careful when investing in these stocks. Do your research, and yeah, with that being said, let's get into the next stock. Now guys, if you guys want to invest in any of these stocks in this video, I implore you to check out the link below to sign up for Public. You get up to $50 in free stock, but Public is much better than Robinhood. So you want to invest in these stocks, you don't want to invest in a company like Robinhood where they have these shady business practices. They sell your trading data, they do payment for order flow, they fill you at very bad prices. Well, Public is very similar to Robinhood in the fact that they have a very nice user interface, but they don't do any of that shady business practices like Robinhood. They don't do bad fills, they don't sell your trading data, they don't even profit off of you as a consumer. I highly suggest that you check out Public if you haven't already. The link's in the description. You get up to $50 in free stocks just for signing up, so check that out if you haven't already. Now let's get into the next stock. The next stock that we have on this list is ATOS, Atossa Therapeutics. This company has a promising breast cancer treatment, and that is why I included them on the list. They're also my personal favorite one, and they're also up 22%, so be careful. But the reason they're my personal favorite one on this list is because the quant hedge fund Renaissance, which is a high frequency algorithmic trading firm, they recently increased their position in Atossa Therapeutics by 600%. And I read a book on this hedge fund Renaissance, and wow, this hedge fund, they don't lose. They have consistently beat the market for years and years and years by upwards of 50%. They've been generating insane returns. They don't even allow retail investors to invest in them because they need to minimize the amount of capital allocated to this hedge fund so they can actually make money. So you can't even invest in Renaissance. You and me, we can't invest in Renaissance. And they increased their holdings in Atoss by about 600% just this past Friday. So this is one you definitely want to look out for. It's my personal favorite. The next stock that we have on this list is GLYC, GlycoMimetics, another biotechnology company. So you're seeing the common theme here. Lots of biotechnology companies are penny stocks. Biotechnology companies do like to take on lots of debt in their early stages because of their promising research. If their drug or their treatment does turn out to be a success, they could see tremendous upside. But if their treatment does not see the success that they were promising, then it could be a very, very risky investment, as they do have lots of debt in this sector. I wish I could explain this company better, but feel free to pause the video right here and take a look at their description. I'm not too familiar with carbohydrate biology. However, that is what this company specializes in. With that being said, their market cap is $109 million. So if their treatment is successful, then you can see tremendous upside, as this is a very, very low market cap stock. The next stock that we have on this list is OCUP, Ocuphire Pharma. So this company specializes in the eye, another biotechnology company. Like I said, common theme here, guys, in these penny stocks, lots of biotechnology companies. One of their products is an eye drop that should help with the front and the back of the eye, and the other is a tablet taken in the oral fashion that helps with the back of the eye. I'm not an expert in this field. However, they do have promising research, and various analysts are very bullish about this stock. Their market cap is $55 million, so if their drugs do end up working very well, they get approvals as planned, this stock could see some tremendous upside. The next stock that we have on this list is Zomedica. So Zomedica is another biotechnology company, but they specialize in animal health and animal pharmacology. So with Zomedica, you're getting exposure to the animal health industry. So Zomedica is a crowd favorite. It's at 77 cents. And if we go down to their market cap, it's much higher than these other ones. So there's a bit more risk involved with this one if their products do not work out. However, yeah, $833 million in market cap. So there is potential upside in this stock. The next stock that we have here is not quite in penny stock range, but it has suffered a huge correction, and it is another crowd favorite, and that is Bionano Genomics, BNGO. So Bionano Genomics is a genomic imaging company that is way better than their competitors at genomic imaging. They actually do not even do genomic sequencing at all, which is what the current technology offers by their competitors, such as Pacific Biosciences and Illumina. If we go out to their 3-month chart, they're down 65% in the past 3 months. So you can see this as a discount if you are bullish on this stock. Their market cap is currently $1.75 billion. So there's less upside than some of the other penny stocks that we have on the list. However, it is still a promising stock if their Sapphire, which is their genomic imaging device, does get fully adopted in the genomics research world. The next one that we have here, and guys, this one I do not personally like. I think this company does have a lot of fraud. Obviously, you can have your own opinion on this one, but it is a Chinese FinTech company. They're exposed to different types of fintech technology, cryptocurrencies, etc. They've had a lot of different company descriptions over the year. It's also a Chinese company, which inherently makes it more risky. However, it's trading at $2.67. If you guys like to play options, this one is a very volatile one that you can play options on if you'd like to do that type of stuff. Its market cap is $209 million, and it has suffered a huge correction, being down 71% in the past 3 months. It reached a peak right here of around $10 a share, which is pretty high for a penny stock, and it's back down to $2. So like I said before, very volatile, this one. And if it does have any good news, like you can see right here, it will spike up. So that's why I have this one on this list. And yeah, I don't personally like this one too much. I think there's a lot of fraud involved in this company. However, it is a volatile one. It is one you can play around with. And yeah, let's get into the next stock. The next stock that we have on this list is GNUS. This is another crowd favorite. It's Genius Brands, and they are a children's media company. They recently had a deal with Stanley's company as well, where they had a Marvel thing, and that's where this company ran. So it ran from $1.50 roughly to about $2.73. So this one's another crowd favorite. That's why I included it on the list. I don't personally invest in it. However, that being said, their market cap's $488 million. So if they continue to be successful in the children's media space, they will have a tremendous upside. That's all I got for the video for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like I said before, I do not personally invest in these. I do not like these speculative penny stocks. Just know what you're getting into when investing in these stocks. They're very volatile. There's no guarantee that you retain your money, as many of these companies aren't profitable. They do take on a lot of debt, so they are very hit or miss with these stocks. So with that being said, be very careful investing in these stocks. Make sure you guys like the video if you guys enjoyed this and want to see more content like this every single day. Subscribe to the channel for more and turn on those post notifications so you never miss a beat here on this channel. Guys, check out that link below to sign up for Public, where you get up to $50 in free stocks just for signing up. So it's literally free money. That's why I always recommend that you check that out. You just link your bank account and that's it. You get up to $50 in free stock. I also just like it way more than Robinhood. So definitely check out Public if you haven't already. And yeah, that's all I got for the video for you guys today. I really hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys learned something. And yeah, that's about it. Peace.